Today we'll learn how to play Crazy Train riff the right way. This is an awesome riff for beginners and a great exercise for both your left and your right hand. First we will go through the riff itself, and then I'll show you 5 most common mistakes beginners make while playing. After you fix them, any riff you play from now on will sound better. At first glance, Crazy Train is a really simple riff. Many beginners get tricked by this simplicity. They don't pay much attention to how they play it and wind up sounding like this. When it should sound something like this. Wanna know what the secret is? Watch this video till the end to find out. If you're new here, my name is Dennis and welcome to the First Fret Lessons. Our goal is to help you become the guitarist people will want to listen to. Okay, and let me show you the riff itself first. If you already know how to play it, you can use the timestamps below to skip right to the first mistake. So at first I play it slowly and you can see the tab on your screen. And make sure that you use only the downstrokes here. And so on. Also watch the angle of your pick. Play into guitar. Don't do it like this, away from your guitar. The sound is too muddy when you do it like this. And when you do it the right way, you sound much cleaner and tighter, and that's what we want for this riff. So again, play into your guitar. This is angle of your pick. Okay, now that you know how to play the riff, let's go through the most common mistakes. The first mistake has to do with the position of your right hand. A lot of people put their hand on the bridge like this, with their pick resting on the low E string. Here. Why is it a problem? Well, if you need to play something on the higher strings, high E or B, for example, you have to reach all the way down here like this. Some people may even lower their elbow to reach the higher strings like this. And of course, it's not an efficient way to play. What I suggest is holding your pick here in front the D string. This way you can reach both your higher and lower strings more easily, like this and like this. It's not problem for your wrist now. If much more comfortable playing like this, you don't have to stretch or move your hand at all. So let's look how we deal with it. And so on. So the bottom line is, don't rest your pick here. Rest it here, on the D. And if you are enjoying this lesson, be sure to subscribe. It's just one click for you, but a huge help for us. Okay, let's talk about our fretting hand now. Mistake number 2 has to do with so-called flying fingers. A lot of beginners tend to lift their fingers way too high after playing a note. It looks like this. It's bad because it wastes your time and energy and makes it harder to fret the right note again when you need it. Plus, it can produce a lot of unwanted noise and dirt. What you should do is hold your hand like this. As you can see, each finger has its own fret underneath it, and all you need to do is just slightly push it down like this. Of course, it may be hard to do it at first, and your fingers will start flying like this. But just stay patient, do it slowly, and try to control yourself like this. The slow tempo is a key to your progress here. You want to avoid any unnecessary movement while playing guitar, and this riff is a great way to get yourself used to it. By the way, if you want to get 5 free and really useful lessons which aren't available on YouTube, check the link in the description below. I'm sure you will enjoy them a lot. The third mistake is playing without a proper muting. It makes your riff sound like this. I will start with these 3 notes. The second you play your third note on the A string, you have to relax your index finger. Like this. Otherwise, both of these notes will ring at the same time. And as I told you, you should just relax your index finger here. Then you go back to the low E string. And once again, you relax your middle finger on the A string. And as you can see, it stopped ringing as well. So, relax your index finger, third finger, index finger, pinky. Then, relax your index finger, pinky. And by the way, avoid playing too percussive here. It's not right way to. So the bottom line is, when you play a note on a different string, relax the finger that is fretting the previous note. As I told you in the previous mistake, don't pull it away from the string. Just relax it and stop fretting. It should be more than enough. The fourth mistake makes you sound like this. As you can hear, it sounds too muffled and rough. Why is it so? Let's find out. So the wrong way to play is just putting the pick on your string and then pushing it down like this. And here is how we deal with it. First, you need to have some space between your pick and the strings, like this. And when you strike it, you don't pull it, you strike it. Imagine a boxer. They don't put a glove against the opponent's face and then push it away. No, they hit it. The same goes for here. You can see my pick attacking the string from a distance. And then it jumps back up. You have to do it fast. It's like when you touch something hot and instantly pull your arm away. Like this. Look. So the first step is to attack the string from a slight distance and then bounce back fast. And if you do it this way, your riff will sound more tight and powerful. And yeah, don't forget about the pick angle. Play into your deck, not play away from it. It doesn't work. And by the way, if you're still watching and enjoying this lesson, please write Sharon down in the comment below. We will be glad to know that you are watching our videos till the end and learning guitar with our help. Plus, we will honor the woman who saved Ozzy's life dozens of times. Mistake number 5 is playing without accents. It makes your riff sound a bit boring and lifeless. It doesn't sound groovy, does it? What you should do is highlight your downbeats. In our case, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and so on. If you want to accent the note, you should throw your right hand a little bit faster. Don't try to pull it hard with your pick or use any force. It's all about the speed. And if you want to sound softer, attack your string just a little bit slower. And here is the difference. And as I told you, play your downbeats louder. Play your offbeats smoother. And as you can see, it will make your playing much groovier. As you can see, there are a lot of mistakes you should pay attention to. It's really easy to forget them, so I recommend you revisiting this video from time to time. And if you like rock music and want to learn even more stuff, make sure to check out these videos. Okay, thanks, see ya, bye bye.